Have you ever wondered what emotions are captured in a painting showing a young girl looking at a dead bird? This work tells a powerful story of innocence, loss, and grief. This is Mädchen mit totem Vogel, 1890, or Girl with a Dead Bird, a painting by French artist Henri-Guillaume Schlesinger. The girl in the painting, a gentle and sad figure, holds a bird that has tragically died. Her downcast gaze and posture convey the weight of sadness and pain in her young heart. Schlesinger was a German-born artist who became a French citizen. The young girl he painted with her touching expression was likely chosen as a subject to evoke empathy and reflection from the viewer, perhaps representing the fleeting innocence of youth and the inevitability of loss. The painting is now housed in the Kunsthistorisches museum in Vienna, Austria, where it continues to move viewers with its emotional depth and timeless beauty.